Weavers and artisans of Varanasi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Deen Dayal Hastkala Sankul in Varanasi that houses a trade facilitation centre and crafts museum constructed at a cost of nearly 300 crore rupees. Since Varanasi is the hub of weavers and artisans, Deen Dayal Hastkala Sankul will help them get access to the international market and tourists by becoming technologically equipped one-stop centre for marketing their products. PM also inaugurated banking services of the Utkarsh Bank that specializes in microfinance and is expected to provide financial support to weavers and artisans, among other entrepreneurs.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi fulfilling a promise made in 2014 to the weaver and craftsman community of Varanasi. With nearly 95,500 weavers in his constituency, Prime Minister dedicated to the nation a state-of-art trade facilitation centre named Deen Dayal Hastkala Sankul and inaugurated the Crafts Museum. Craftsmen can now showcase their work at a global level and sell their crafts directly to the buyers, as well as preserve their heritage.
300 करोड़ की लागत से बनी हुई ये इमारत, ये सिर्फ इमारत नहीं है, ये भारत के सामर्थ्य का परिचय कराने वाली, ये हमारे काशी क्षेत्र के शिल्पकार बुनकरों के सामर्थ्य की एक ऐसी कथा को संजोए हुए हैं जो भविष्य के नए दरवाजे खोलने की ताकत रखते हैं।
Escorted by Textile Minister Smriti Irani, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and accompanied by UP Governor Ram Nayak, Prime Minister went around the facility covering an area of nearly 8 acres. He interacted with craftsmen working there, taking keen interest in their work. The Crafts Museum too is a major attraction at this centre. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took a round of the galleries of handloom and handicrafts. He also tried his hand at the digital interactive section that showcases the art and culture of Varanasi. Of special interest was the digital carpet in the carpet weaving display section of the museum. Prime Minister also appreciated the painting.
ये जो म्यूजियम बना है वो काशी के टूरिज्म को भी बढ़ावा देगा। जो श्रद्धापूर्वक काशी में यात्रा के रूप में आते हैं वे जो ये चीजों की मुलाकात करेंगे, इसे देखेंगे, काशी के सामर्थ्य को जानेंगे। मुझे विश्वास है कि काशी के टूरिज्म को भी बढ़ावा मिलेगा।
Union Textile Minister Smriti Irani also stressed on the need to preserve and promote the traditional crafts of Varanasi. She highlighted the facilities being offered to weavers under schemes like the Mudra Yojana.
वस्त्र मंत्रालय के अंतर्गत बुनकर भाइयों के लिए विशेष मुद्रा योजना पहुंचे हम ये प्रयास कर चुके हैं। गत 3 माह में हमने देखा है कि देश भर में 33,000 से ज्यादा बुनकर भाइयों बहनों को मुद्रा योजना से जोड़कर 170 करोड़ से ज्यादा की राशि उपलब्ध कराई है। हस्तकला से संबंधित भाइयों और बहनों के लिए विशेष रूप से देश में 300 स्थानों पर हम मुद्रा योजना को लेकर जाएंगे, इस विश्वास के साथ कि चाहे वो शिल्पकारों के बीच में मुफ्त टूल किट का वितरण हो अथवा शिल्पकार और बुनकर को मुद्रा से जोड़ने का हमारा प्रयास हो।
The Deen Dayal Hastkala Sankul is an indispensable and necessary step to help weavers and artisans of Varanasi to preserve their heritage while integrating into the global economy. This state-of-art facility will certainly prove to be a boon for many. With Harikesh Bahadur and Tapas in Varanasi for DD News.